Bitch, I was for the streets. Fuck, I was an astronaut before.
I sent the tag back. Stop what you're doing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another video, guys. Another Kaye Lanhi After Dark. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Matter of fact, stay right here. Stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know. And I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, come give me a hug. All right, y'all. Tell me your business. I'll wait. Put it down in the comments, child. My assistant for tonight is a little Pinot Grigio. We had this left over from our ratchet wine tasting, y'all. We had a couple of videos ago. And I just threw some pineapple and strawberries in it, just to give it a little razzle dazzle. Why not? So, what have I been up to? You probably wondering. Nothing. Nothing, y'all. Just lifing. That's pretty much it. Just lifing. But I do want to do this Kaye Lanhi with a twist, because I have been seeing some stuff. So, and we want to do a whole dating update. Ooh, child. Well, first things first, y'all. If we are clicking on our electric newspaper, and when I say electric newspaper, we talking about IG, Instagram. Y'all, have y'all heard about Steve Harvey and Marjorie supposedly be getting a divorce? Now, this is not my first time hearing it. Now, I did take the liberty of looking out for y'all before I come on here with this and trying to see if they were still like friends on IG. I believe I checked Steve's, and Marjorie is no longer his friend. The thing that I'm having an issue with is that, well, not really an issue, because I don't really know him like that. But Marjorie, are you listening? Marjorie, are you listening? And if you're not, can somebody send this to Marjorie so she can listen? Girl, the bodyguard. You got caught with the bodyguard. Marjorie, tell me your business, baby. What made, because you guys were like goals, not for me, but for goals for other people. And so I want to know what made you look at the bodyguard and say, was it the fact that he protects you? What, I mean, is this even true? That's what I need to know. I don't know, like, do he have some big movie coming out? I'm like all over the place with it, y'all. But if y'all know what's going on, y'all is watching, can y'all put it down in the comments? Because I'm very interested in knowing. Because I like old Steve Harvey and Marjorie. I don't want them to break up. I mean, I know nothing good lasts forever, but I don't want that for them. Because it's ghetto out here in these streets being single. Speaking of single, can we talk about this dating, girl? Oh, child. I had to take a swig on that one. I don't know, y'all. Now, y'all know I did this whole dating app for us. You and I and you, we, us, outlet. I don't know how much more longer I could do this. For one, I forget about it. But that's not the gotcha. This is the part that took me to the, girl, this how you know you need to get off here. So I'm scrolling, looking, shaking my head, you know, me. And I'm like, Warren, that's fine. It's a age-appropriate name, Warren. And I see Alfreda, Toby with the I, Rodney, Donald, Brenda. So I'm At this point, I go out the app and go back in it because maybe I'm in the wrong app. Why is Brenda told me them on my page and they like me? I don't know. I'm confused. So I'm like, oh my God, I'm for everyone. Because when I went to go look at my profile, it said I was for everyone. Lord have mercy. I said, Jesus, they done screenshot me because they know I'm Kaye Lanhi. And they probably done screenshot me and say that for when I blow up. Oh my God. So I immediately said, I can't do this. I'm out here not even doing this shit right. Bitch, I was for the streets. I was for everybody. And then the little conversations, I had a conversation with one. Out of all the people on there, I had a conversation with one. But he was very defensive. Like, I mean, very defensive. And it was to the point where I was just like, I'm just going to smile throughout this conversation because I'm trying not to hang up in his face. But he was full of shit. It's Kaye Lanhi after dark shit. He was full of shit. And I could smell it coming. Like, oh my God, I wish I could have recorded our conversation, but our very first conversation was cool because I was busy, and so I told him I was gonna call him back. So it wasn't the first one, it was the second one. And I was just like, I get it. Dating is like an interview for the job. So you trying to put your best foot forward in order to, you know, gain my trust, for me to want to hire you for the position. But I'm not like everybody else. So whatever you put on your resume, meaning your profile, your dating profile, I'm gonna probe. I'm gonna probe. You can't just tell me anything because I know firsthand that you could tell anybody anything. Hell, I told a motherfucker I was an astronaut before. Like, yes, I told a motherfucker I was an astronaut. I came up with a school and everything. Apparently looks can say anything. But anyway, moving right along. Yeah, tonight I got a little special treat for y'all. Well, for me, it's a special treat for y'all. I took the liberty of going on Pinterest. I was going on Pinterest for bedroom ideas, to be perfectly honest with you, because I'm thinking about doing it. Well, I'm not thinking about it. We're going to eventually redo the bedroom. And so as I was looking through Pinterest, I was looking at different outfits. Yeah, of course, because I got the attention span of a squirrel. So I went on there to look for bedroom stuff, and then we end up somehow on outfits. Anyway, long story short, I was looking at outfits saying, I already got this in my closet. I got something like this. I bet you I have something like this in my closet. So I took the liberty of finding a couple of outfits on Pinterest, and then I went in my closet and pieced the outfit that's very, very, very similar. So Pinterest made me do it. All right, guys, I'm going to show y'all these looks real quick, and I want you to tell me, did I hit it? Did I miss the mark or whatever? Put it down in the comments. Let's have some fun. All right, look number one. Now, y'all know I normally like to give my outfits a name. That's just what I do. This is just, I don't know why. I just like giving my outfits a name. So, of a No Limit Soldier meets a job interview. Y'all, here's how to look. Here's what I found on Pinterest. Y'all see that? And here's how I put it together. Hey. Y'all, I love it. Yeah. So y'all tell me what y'all think. What y'all think about look number one? Y'all think I did okay? Fun fact, that jacket I actually got from DD's. The jacket came from DD's last year, October of last year. It's been almost a year. I had to wear the jacket open. Y'all see how I had the jacket buttoned up? Don't play with me. And the pants came from Ross. The shoes came from Ross. The frames, I cannot remember. Don't hold it to me. But yeah, that's my little look, y'all. Let's get ready for look number 2. All right, look number 2. Y'all know this whole Barbie thing is going around. Everybody wearing their pink, right? Well, this is like Barbie after dark. That's what we going. Barbie after dark. Here's what it looks like on Pinterest. Now, here's how I put it together. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, okay. I know you see it. I know you see it. All right, y'all. Tell me who did it best, me or Pinterest. And if we friends, y'all better say me. Hell. All right, guys. We have one more. One more look, y'all. And then after I show y'all this look, I need y'all to put down in the comments how y'all feel about this little whole how Pinterest made me do it. How I shocked my closet and tried to match the Pinterest look. So I'm very interested in knowing how y'all do it, how y'all feel about it. But anyway, nevertheless, let's get into look number 3. All right, look number 3 is your everyday all around the way girl. That's what we're gonna go with for this. Because of that, I wanted to give you 2 looks. You get two, we get a 2 for baby. A 2 for the price of 1. On this one, we're going to do like a summer, spring look with it, as well as a winter, fall look with it. So, here's how Pinterest did it. Now let me show you first the fall and the winter look. Hey, all right, so y'all like that? Y'all see them boots? Yes, the boots came from DD's. We got those last year. The jeans came from Ross, and the shirt came from Shein. None other than Miss Shein, honey. Miss Shein for the win. And that's not it, y'all. That's not it. That's that winter fall. Girl, how is that winter fall and all my boobs there? All of them. But I told y'all, that's what y'all getting. I'm fast. I'm fast. So, y'all, I switched it up a little bit. Took the boots off. Threw on some heels. Changed the purse out. And this is what we came up with. Outfits still from the same places. The shoes are from Shein, and I think the bag, I want to say Crazy Boss. I want to say Crazy Boss, if I'm not mistaken. Crazy Boss. So yes, it was from Crazy Boss, because I think I got it for like $7. Cute little clutch. Anyway, guys, y'all, I miss y'all. So what y'all think? Tell me down in the comments what y'all think, and do you want to see more of these more of this, or is this something I should keep on the channel? Tell me, guys. I'm just trying to figure this thing out. I'm glad y'all came sit in the living room with me, talked with me, and chat with me. I miss y'all. I do. And I'm not just saying that because we have a cocktail. I really do miss y'all. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I'm missing. I don't think so. We're about to get ready to watch The Shy. I was supposed to watch it earlier today, child, but the girl got busy. So we're about to partake in this drink, turn off some lights here, and we're gonna watch a little of The Shy. Y'all wanna watch it with me? Come on, let's watch it. Woo, look at Doodle.
Oh, shit. Come on, man. You know that shit ain't clouds in my mind.
That is not how you give a choice. Not that I know, but yeah. Y'all, Doodle nasty. Is somebody finna get Doodle?
Beyond.
I feel like my spidey senses is telling me that I may be spoiling this for someone. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this without y'all guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.